We have a 1957 Chevrolet Series 3200 half-ton pick-em-up truck. It has had a body off-frame professional restoration, only 950 miles put on it since. A Blueprint Crate 350, automatic, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. Excuse me. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. Look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where you find a price tag on every car we have, along with the monthly finance option. We even have a buy it now button. If you see something you really like, I strongly suggest you hit the button. Just get it locked in while you're thinking and talking to the salesman. That's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin. This is a knockout. This is as good as the best car I have in our showroom as far as body and paint. All metal. It's painted Viper red. Again, this was professionally done. So let's start up here and work our way back. This is going to be easy because there's nothing to tell you it's wrong. All this looks like laser beam straight, clean, dry metal. Down here is all smooth, no rust. All fits real nice. The roof is real nice. The corner of the cab, the corners of the doors. It opens so easy. The box, the fenders, all of this is mint. I mean laser straight. Across the top here is laser straight. It's not wavy. I don't see body work. I don't see cracking. I don't see anything to tell you wrong with it. All metal. There's the optional spare tire on the side. So again, same as the other side, all smooth, clean doors, cab corners. There are a couple chips in the paint right there. No rust. All clean, clean metal. I like how it has these two bumps on the hood, just like the car, the 57 Chevy. Over the top of the headlights, the eyebrows are nice and clean. And the Viper red paint. Other than that chip, I didn't see a flaw. It's polished like red glass. It's a mirror finish, front to back, top to bottom. Windshield looks new. The rubber gasket's new. Wiper arms are shiny. Now up front, this here looks like a very nice original piece. Actually, there's a crack in it. The grille looks like it's all new. The bumper's new. The lenses, the headlight bezels, that all looks new. Just the emblem and the side emblems are good original. From a few feet away, you'd think they're new. When you get up on it, you can see a little patina. The vent glass and the rubber looks new. Door handles are new. All the fuzzy strips in here are new. I'm checking the glass. Looks like all the glass is new. New tempered glass. Rear window as well. New gasket. So in back, new tail lights, LEDs, new bumper. Got the Chevrolet. Looks like it's painted on there. New chains for the tailgate. Tires and wheels are new. He just recently bought all of them, all 5 of them. Tires and wheels were replaced. New mirror. So that's the gorgeous outside. We still got some more good stuff to show you inside. So the tailgate opens up real easily. No forcing it. It actually is lined up beautifully. So inside the box, it's pristine. The side panels are straight as an arrow, painted gloss red, has stainless hardware. Refinished, looks like oak floors, polished stainless strips, flush mounted fuel filler right in the floor. So I mean, this is perfect, I guess. Oh, I don't like to use the word perfect, but it's pristine. And it includes a nice big gold car cover for inside the garage. This paint job is slick. Around here, these shops, professional shops, they'd get 30, 40 grand for body and paint work like this. So inside the cab's all painted. You can see the jambs, the door, all painted slick. All new weather strips, new handles and cranks. Old dash areas painted like black glass. Got some nice knobs, nice billets. instrument panel with all new matching gauges. 951 miles since it's been built. Does have a CD stereo. Looks like a new heater control panel. Speakers in the kick panels. Got new carpet. A Locar shifter. Now the seats, they're all new, so the firm cushion, they're wrapped in leather. The center armrest has a compartment. This folds down. You got your cup holders. You got another compartment. It's all painted behind the seats. It does have seat belts for all three people. We got a cargo light. We got a headliner. It's upholstered. New visors. You got a nice day-night mirror. It flips back and forth. And then a cushion grip steering wheel. You got turn signals. Remember, they didn't have turn signals on these old trucks back then. Now this is one of the cleanest, most uncluttered motor compartments I've seen. Just look at the engine bay. Where is everything? It's all smooth metal, painted gloss black, more stainless hardware. Sitting right at the heart of it is a Blueprint crate motor. That's the company that makes them. We have the paperwork. Dyno sheet was just over 300 horsepower and like 370 pounds of torque. High-rise aluminum intake. It's a Holley carb, it looks like, with electric choke, HEI ignition, set of coated headers, nice chrome accents. So that's a new motor. There's Blueprint right there. New fuel pump, new alternator, new billet pulleys. It's got power steering. This is all new. You can see the hoses and the steering box. Aluminum radiator with an overflow bottle, keeps it running cool. But yeah, that's just as nice and as clean as they get. Has a nice sound. Your eyes are closed, you'd think you're listening to a Chevelle or something. Also mentioned it's very roomy in here. You get in some trucks and just don't fit. This is the 3200. I don't know if it has anything to do with it, but it's a bigger truck, but very comfortable in here. So the body was off the frame for restoration. The whole chassis was prepped and painted black. It was upgraded with disc brakes at all four wheels. A new power brake booster, all cadmium plated. That's all up under the truck. New shocks all the way around. Real nice, all welded dual exhaust system. I think Flowmaster mufflers. You look up at the motor, it still looks new. It practically is. The serial number that Blueprint puts on the engine is still attached to the motor. It's upgraded with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. New starter on the motor, I think a high torque starter. In back is an all-new powder-coated rear end. It's a heavy-duty, like a Ford 9-inch, 31 spline axles, posi gears. It has the 6-lug pattern. If you notice, it's a 3200 series. So it does have, 6 at all 5 wheels. So what a gorgeous truck. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman about your questions. They'll get it delivered to your house. They'll get you financed. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.